Hey, this is my good friend Josh. You wanted to say something to Therese and give her an update because, hell, you were in a fire, you broke your clavicle, and you got burned on the top of your head. What's going on?
Well, just trying to stay out of trouble. Trying to wean myself off the alcohol, but it's hard to do it cold turkey.
Tell Therese about the fire.
Yeah, I was in a fire in a bando that had a fireplace. I started a fire. I got buzzed up, went to sleep. I woke up, two good Samaritan neighbors pulled me out of the fire, ran in the house and pulled me out of the fire. I was engulfed.
Yeah.
Saved my life.
Jeez. What happened with your broken arm? What's the story on that?
I don't know what happened. I got so because I was in the hospital on my birthday, the morning of my birthday. My brother came in there and told me that my dad was dead, so I left against medical advice. And they had me on bed rest, so I could barely walk. My legs were like jelly. I made it to my dad's, Jake's house, my brother's house on P. He lives a couple houses down from my dad, and my dad answered the door. He wasn't, I guess that was their way of trying to scare me sober or have an intervention or something. I don't know. But all that did was make me want to get drunk even more.
Yeah. Yeah. And so somehow you had your clavicle broke.
Yeah, I think it was from a fall. I don't remember getting into a fight.
And Therese and Bill, you were asking about them. If they're going to find you, are they going to find you at the school or where?
Me and Jimmy are usually up here at the school when it's nice out.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. What else? You've been struggling with that alcohol for a while.
Yeah. I've been intubated a couple different times since the last time I seen her, where they stick a tube down your throat and they put you under. They give you this drug, I don't know what it is, but it knocks you out. They have you asleep for like weeks at a time.
Did you go? Yeah, you've been in rehab then?
Yeah. No.
Okay.
No, I haven't tried treatment. I went to Odyssey House, but I only lasted there like 3 days. That was in the winter.
Didn't you go to Port Huron one time with Therese?
Yeah.
Okay, but it didn't work out.
No, I started having seizures in there.
Jeez, yeah. You like Therese's food?
Yep.
What do you like? Those egg sandwiches?
Yep.
And chili?
Yep.
Anything else?
Oh.
But
I got a good appetite. It don't matter to me. She makes nice food.
Yeah, she does.
Jimmy goes up to the Holy Redeemer every Thursday if she wants to catch Jimmy.
Do you get up there at all?
I don't really go up there that much.
But if we're looking for you by the school here, we can catch you.
Yep, right at the cubby hole.
At the cubby hole. Are you doing anything at the medical building for sleeping, or you don't want to?
It's a pain in the butt to try to get back there because somebody dumped a bunch of brush and you have to go in from the other side now, and you got to walk through a bunch of weeds and trees.
Yeah. You know this guy?
No.
Yeah.
He's panhandling.
Yeah. Okay. And then, so in any case, we're doing our video here, and you know, you got any advice for people that are thinking about doing alcohol? They should stay away from it.
It's all fun, nice when you have your stuff together and you're young, but then once you end up losing everything, losing your job, family don't want to talk to you because nobody wants to deal with you when you're drunk. You know, it's horrible. Some people think it's a safe alternative to drugs. It's not. You go through the same. The withdrawal from alcohol can kill you.
How old are you?
I'm 33 now. My birthday was just on the 7th.
Happy birthday.
Yep.
And were you in the military?
No.
Okay. You go to school? Did you get a high school education?
I got my GED.
Yeah.
That was before everything went off the rails when my grandma died. That's when my drinking got out of control.
Were you in special ed in school?
No.
Okay. Did you did get your GED in prison or jail?
No. My cousin went back to night school and I started going with her.
Okay.
Yeah, beat your alternative.
Have you been in prison?
Nope. My brother has. It was the best thing that ever happened to my brother. Now he's got house, multiple vehicles, good-looking girlfriend.
Because he got a trade. What do you do? Get educated?
No, he never graduated, but he climbs trees.
Prison.
Tree service.
Okay, tree trimmer. But prison taught him that? Is that what you're saying?
No.
He just got him right.
It scared him straight. He changed his way of thinking, his mentality.
Yeah.
Like the hooray for today, hell for tomorrow, not thinking about the consequences for your actions and being impulsive.
You miss us, though.
Yeah.
You know where Therese and Bill, you know where my place is at.
Yep.
Yeah. And then I'll talk to Therese and Bill, and tell them that you miss them. And we're praying for you. You know that.
I know you guys prayed for me. I appreciate it.
Okay. But anything will do, right?
Yep.
All right. Take care, my friend.
Yep. You too.